What happened to you? All fine. Shivam? Fighting with him?
सर इन लोगों को पीछे वाला बिठाओ सर
Those who are there in the immediate field, What happened? You didn't see. So you will come to your house and tell your where is the friend today? You will be quiet now. What are your life? What songs come to hear? Which day Okay. So we don't need this one. MBBS. You also mentioned in school, these one people didn't have the school out. You remember the same school only out? Vishal? Okay. You don't need the MBBS now? You are in second, you don't have second lecture now. Go and arrange the BPS over there and okay, 6:30 to 7:30. Okay? There is your friend. You people have to call the parents and that. Huh? What happens here? Not required now. You also tell me the BPS now. I know. You are not so long. So what is the problem? Accidentally slept. You also doesn't know what we do now. What happened? He also doesn't need a BPS. Not before. Now people sit down. What happened finally?
एक साथ इतने लोग केमिकल्स में कोई
Yeah. Vishal, stand up. Come here. What happened? Come here. Bring the book also. Bend down. You know him? I don't know. You know him? So he knows. Ask him. I'll give you a partner for you. Sitting and talking only 3, 4, 5. You are really talking. He is always talking. Huh? Yeah, outside now. Stop talking now. Now hold 3 about. So this only you enter now. Tell him to be quiet. Look, this is a classroom, okay? Behave. Yeah, we want to go outside to do it outside. Okay now. So let's for you. B for you. Now listen, think of the who's on the view. What was the open for you? Similarity we were started now. Still, how much we have started and we did anything?
So you just gave us a recap of everything.
Okay, so we will where we discussed.
So we started with triangles and suggested the types of
Types of triangles. All of you be quiet now. When did you come back? And when are you going again? Yesterday again you going. Going again to another program. Half time we come 2 weeks, then after that again by you go. Now LCS full exam. Huh? That time we are taking. Yeah. Okay, now so we will discuss about these triangles, types of triangles and what we discuss now. Right? We will open your notebook. Open the notebook. Write chapter heading and similarity. Look. Who's asking about Vertex? Let's see got the pen. No pen. So you got an extra pen, give to them. You also don't have a pen. Chapter heading. Pen will be given with the hand only, not with the mouse. Okay. Commenting about your pen. So give it back. You know, take it. Right. Properties of triangles. Properties of triangles. Different properties of triangles. First one. First one. Close the volume. This one is not there in the volume. Now, first one by one terms I am going to tell those who know, please raise the hand. First one is altitude. Altitude. Those who know, yes, what is an altitude?
Perpendicular line drawn from the vertex to the opposite side.
Yes. Thinking only? Yes. Right. Those who don't know right now, it is the perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. Altitude is a perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. Does it bisect the opposite side? Not necessary, okay? It's not the bisect, not the midpoint, okay? Altitude. So how many altitudes can be drawn? This one is the altitude, okay? Perpendicular or height also we say as the altitude. Now, how many altitudes can be drawn for a triangle? 3 altitudes. They all meet at a common point. Do you know what the meaning of that? Those who know, raise the hand.
Orthocent.
Those who know, raise the hand. Okay? So, right, 3 altitudes can be drawn for a triangle. 3 altitudes can be drawn for a triangle. And their point of intersection is orthocenter. Three altitudes can be drawn for a triangle, and their point of intersection is orthocenter. Are you followed? What is the meaning? Explanation. Those who need, please tell me. All the altitude pass through a common point, and that is called the orthocenter. 3 altitudes can be drawn for a triangle, and the point of intersection, and their point of intersection is orthocenter. 3 altitudes. 3 altitudes can be drawn for a triangle, and their point of intersection is which one? Orthocenter. Second one, median. Those who know can raise a hand. Yes, what is median?
Line drawn from the vertex to the opposite side, which bisects the base.
Line drawn from the vertex which bisects the opposite side. Midpoint. Okay, right. Line drawn from the vertex which bisects the opposite side. Bisect means you know already I said midpoint. Okay. Line median line from the vertex. Sir. Line from the vertex. Who was talking?
Sir, he is giving us that in
So what did I tell you? What did I tell you?
A median thing.
Line from the vertex which bisects the opposite side. How many medians can be drawn? How many medians can be drawn? 3 medians. Those who know what is the point of intersection of the medians can raise their hand. See that? Wrong.
Centroid.
Centroid. Right. 3 medians can be drawn for a triangle. 3 medians can be drawn for a triangle. And the point of intersection is centroid. Three medians can be drawn for a triangle and the point of intersection is centroid. Written all of you?
Yes, yes.
What is saying? Centroid. Umiraj, Rikshika, Shesa. Shesa is always present. Viresh. Okay. Point of intersection is the centroid. Okay. Have you followed what is centroid? Okay. Now, what is going on? How many pen you need? You have like shaving. Body shaving is not when shaving. Who got a pen? Working pen. Centroid is not now?
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Now next, so centroid property, anyone knows? Any property of centroid? Centroid divide the median, write down the property. Centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. Have you followed what I have made it?
Yes.
I don't need to explain now.
Sir,
Huh? Centroid you have followed. What is a centroid? There is centroid means all 3 medians meeting. This is the centroid G. Means divides in the ratio 2:1 means AG is to GD is equal to 2:1. AG upon GD is equal to 2/1. Okay, everything is coming. Then from there, make the ratio and all. If 2:1, 1/3, and all of these properties, you know ratios. Okay, also median divide the two triangles of equal area. Okay, area will be equal. Not required to write that. Just this way, lot of properties we have to write. So 2:1 you wrote now. Okay, third one, angle bisector. Word itself is clear.
Yes.
You know what you mean by angle bisector?
Bisects the vertex angle.
Yeah, right. Line which bisects the vertex angle. Angle bisector. Line which bisects the vertex angle. Are we following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Line which bisects the vertex angle. How many angle bisectors can be drawn? 3. From A, B, and C you can draw now. Okay. They all meet at a common point. Those who know, raise a hand. Only one hand is raised. Okay.
This is inside.
Yes, this is in center. Right. The point of intersection of angle bisectors is the in center. In center. In center. In center. There was a chapter was the locus that is not here. I think. There was then we used again the property where in center is equidistant from the sides of the triangle. In center is equidistant from the sides of the triangle. Now, all fine now. Avni, then, have you heard about in circle? Those who heard, raise the hand. Only you are heard only. You are from school. In circle. You are wanted to tell something you are knowing. You are not feeling that or not feeling that. Okay? Okay. And you want to tell? Circle inscribed in a triangle is called inscribed. Wait. You know what you mean by inscribed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, those ways that what you mean. Inscribed means it is inside and touching all the sides. Are you followed or not? This type of circle is called in circle. Inscribed in that. Inscribed in a triangle is the so in circle is the circle inscribed in a triangle. Okay. Now its center is the in circle. Sorry, its center is the in center. Center of in circle is the in center. Means finding this one. This point center is called the in center. Are you following what is in center? Because it's required again in the chapter circle also. That's why I'm telling again. Because circle inscribed. Okay, understood or not? Inscribed circle, circumscribed circle. These all words will come. Okay. Now, next is so in center is next one. The next one is called perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. All of you know. Hopefully. Yes. What is Shruti, what is perpendicular bisector? Which bisects the perpendicular? Bisects the perpendicular. Bisects the side and perpendicular to the side. Hello? Shh. What is the meaning of perpendicular bisector? The line which bisects a side and perpendicular to a side. Means this is the midpoint. Means if I draw a perpendicular, this is called the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so perpendicular. You have studied a lot of things. Construct the perpendicular bisector. I don't know. What is the meaning? Line which bisects a side and perpendicular to the side. How many perpendicular bisectors can be drawn? 3 now. For AB you can draw one, BC you can draw, AC you can draw. Not follow what is perpendicular. Discussion of perpendicular bisector.
Bisects the baseline as well as the perpendicular angle.
If this is the line segment, draw the perpendicular bisector, means there will be a line. Understood or not?
Yes.
Which bisects the side and perpendicular to the side. Perpendicular bisector, all of you followed.
Yes.
What is a perpendicular bisector? Is a line which bisects the side and perpendicular to the side. Okay. How many perpendicular bisector can be drawn? 3, because with BC you can draw, with AB you can draw, with AC you can draw. So you write 3 perpendicular bisectors can be drawn for a triangle. They all meet at the common point. That point is called. Right. They all meet at a common point, and that common point is called the circumcenter. Circumcenter. Shreyas, first time you're hearing all these? You heard, you forgot. Okay. Circumcenter. Written. CBD, OBD, followed. Okay, so this one is done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, altitude all of you know. What is its point of intersection? Median all of you follow.
Yes.
What is its point of intersection? Angle bisector all of you know. What is its point of intersection? Mean center. And perpendicular bisector all of you know. And what is its point of intersection? Circumcenter. Oh, this is not completed. Do you know what you mean by circumcircle? Circumcircle.
Circle drawn outside the boundary of the
Circumscribed circle or circumcircle means circle which circumscribes a triangle, means the triangle is where inside. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Triangle inside and circle outside means the circle which pass through all the vertices of the triangle. Such circle is called which one?
Circumscribed.
Circumscribed circle or circumcircle. Okay, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
This one, this circle is called which type of circle? Circumcircle or circumscribed circle. And this, remember, its center is the circumcenter.
Yes, sir.
Now write one more property you remember. Circumcenter is equidistant from all the vertices. Circumcenter is equidistant from all the vertices. All the vertices. Written all of you? Equidistant from all the vertices. No problem. Completed all of you. Equidistant from all the vertices. Now listen carefully. When we started altitude, median, angle bisector, all of them started from a vertex. Whereas the perpendicular bisector need not be passing through the vertex. Understood or not? All to next, so remember, first is altitude, median, so angle bisector all start from the vertex, whereas perpendicular bisector need not pass through the vertex.
So, altitude can be less than 3. Less than 3 in a triangle. Because a triangle less than 3. So because if a triangle is not like this.
Ajay, you can draw less than
Yes, sir, because there is no.
since we put up this one, listen. Obtuse triangle you are talking now. So triangle ABC. You mean to say there is no altitude towards ABC? Is there any altitude towards BC? This AD is the altitude to the side BC. Understood? Altitude can be outside the triangle. Understood? That is a height. Line drawn from the vertex which is perpendicular to the side. You know area of the triangle, you remember no? What's the area of the triangle? Our base into height. Base is BC and the height is AD here. Like that. Okay. There are perpendicular bisector, which one? Why? What is the problem? Do you know how to construct a perpendicular bisector?
Yes, sir.
So this is a perpendicular bisector, one will come, another perpendicular bisector, this way one will come, and the third one it will come as the same format. Okay, understood or not? This is wrong. Understood? All three will pass through a common point. Okay, these all points can be sometimes outside, circumcenter is outside the triangle center. Altitude can be outside the triangle center. Okay, that is it. There are more properties and all you don't need to discuss. There, if you want, we can discuss a lot, not required. So remember this much. Now, is it altitude, median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, or four different things or same things? Are they same thing or different? Altitude and median are same thing? No. Why? So median and angle bisector are same? Doubtful. Different. Median does not bisect the angle, okay? Angle bisector and perpendicular bisector, all four are four different things, okay? So below write down, in an equilateral triangle, in an equilateral triangle, altitude, median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector. In an equilateral triangle, altitude, median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, all are same. All are same. In an equilateral triangle, altitude, median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, all of them are same. They are not followed. You know what is an equilateral triangle, Mr. Moray?
Yes.
Therefore, you can write, therefore, these all 4 points are same point. I will explain those who are not followed. Do you know what is an equilateral triangle, Moray? What is an equilateral triangle?
So all three sides are equal and all that.
Oh, it's not going. This is an equilateral triangle. I have drawn all AD
Yes.
perpendicular. Can you prove these two triangles are congruent?
Yes, sir.
Then prove it. So prove it now.
Sir, AB is equal to AC.
AB equal to AC.
Yes, sir. VD is equal to CD.
BD is how BD is equal to CD?
Sir, AD is
Altitude means bisect the opposite side. You only said it doesn't bisect the now he's telling bisecting. AD is common 90 degree RHS. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, by CPCTC says BD and CD are equal. So, therefore, D is the midpoint. So, altitude become median. Also, these two angles are equal, congruent CPCTC. Therefore, this is the angle bisector. This is already perpendicular and this is bisecting means it is a perpendicular bisector. So, all are four are same thing. Understood now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is for this property for which type of triangle? Equilateral triangle. Okay, so in equilateral triangle, all these points are same only. Whereas in an isosceles triangle, they are collinear points. Means from the vertical angle, you know what I mean by vertical angle? What is vertical angle of isosceles triangle? Anyone?
Sir, the top angle.
Top angle. What is top angle and bottom? Unequal angle. Top angle. Unequal angle. From there if we draw altitude. From there if we draw median. Angle all are same. Only from the vertical angle. Okay. That is for isosceles triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So done. This much is okay. This much property is. Now, I don't need to explain beyond this part of it. These are the basic concepts of this triangle is coming. Quadrilateral, all of you know? Yes or no? The other day, somebody said we'll find the name of the polygon still 10 sides.
So, till 10 we know, sir.
10 all of you know, no?
Yes.
Okay, then.
Triangle,
Triangle.
quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon.
Huh?
Septagon.
Septagon.
Septagon. Sir, it's septagon.
So finally, what is it? Who knows the polygon still 10 sides? All the names of the polygon still 10 sides. Yeah? 3 to 10. Those are, okay. Hello, Srishti. Next class you tell me, okay? Find out and tell me. She was asked to find out, no? Okay. Now problem is solved now. She will find out, he will find out now. On QED is still pending on them. Okay. You know. Other than that. Speak point now, let us speak now. Again, talking give her a chance to talk only now. She always says, listening to your people, let her listen to her only. Tell. This is pentagon already said, hexagon already said. 7. Septagon. Octagon. Non-octagon and hexagon. Hexagon can be used also that one also. Okay. So remember, yeah. Yeah, listen, now quadrilateral, different types of quadrilateral, you know. Different sides. What is the angles of property of a quadrilateral? 360. Sum of the angles equal to 360 degree. All of you know that much? I think you are drawing all these things over here. Okay. How many diagonal sides are there for a quadrilateral? How many sides are there for a quadrilateral? 4 sides. How many angles are there? How many diagonals are there? 4 diagonals are there. Do you know what is my diagonal? Come, go and draw a quadrilateral and show them. Are draw one quadrilateral now? No, sir. Are diagonal? Do you know what are the diagonals of a quadrilateral? Sahir, do you know what are diagonals? Huh? Speak something. Do you know? Don't remember. Do you know how many diagonals are for a quadrilateral? Pakka. 2 diagonals. Do you know what are diagonals? Tell now what are the diagonals? Line segment joining the opposite vertices. ABCD is a quadrilateral. AB, BC, CD, AD are the sides. What are the diagonals? AC and BD. Are you followed? Yes, sir. Okay. Now, followed? So the diagonals. Now, types of quadrilateral, how many of you know? Raise hand, at least some names, at least. Shivangi. Rhombus. Square. Square rectangle. Square. Rectangle. Parallelogram. Trapezium. Side. Okay. Sit down. First is the trapezium. All of you know what is the trapezium?
Yes.
What is the trapezium? Yes. Now come and draw the trapezium. Anyone know what is the trapezium? Yes.
Sir, where the base side and the top side are parallel.
One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Don't tell please stop and down. Okay. What is going on? Is it a trapezium?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? It can be parallel this side also. It's not that always base side top side. Okay. So, okay, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. There's a special type of trapezium. Do you know? Isosceles trapezium. Who said isosceles trapezium? Yes. Do you know what is isosceles trapezium? Let it know. Which 2 sides? Non-parallel sides are equal. These 2 sides are equal. Non-parallel. Oh, okay. Non-parallel sides are equal. That is called an isosceles trapezium. Yes, what happens?
Sir, the isosceles trapezium have the property that the smaller of the two parallel sides equals half.
Half?
No, sir.
Nothing like that. Look, is it half?
No, sir.
Okay, so it's nothing like that. Okay, isosceles trapezium, all of you follow?
Yes.
See, isosceles trapezium has got a property. Its angles are equal, angles are equal. Parallelogram, do you know what is a parallelogram? CBD. No parallelogram, CBD. Do you know what? Have you seen the parallelogram any time? Can you draw a figure of parallelogram on your board? Yes or no? Can you draw on the board? Yes or no? How can you draw a figure with all sides parallel? Opposite sides are parallel. That is what sides are opposite. Why draw parallelogram? All of you know, both the pair of opposite sides are parallel. That is called a parallelogram. Do you know, anyone knows what are the properties of the parallelogram? Those who know, please raise hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what is it?
Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal.
Opposite angles are equal.
Sides are equal. All 4 sides.
All 4 sides are equal. Then you want to tell you. Tell. Over. Now listen. The property. Alright, please be quiet now. I give the chance now. Then you let me also speak. Yeah. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. These all properties are required. Diagonals bisect each other. Four properties we said. There are four properties. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Any of the properties not followed, raise your hand, I'll explain. Not followed. Any problem? Now, one more property in the parallelogram. Remember that if one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal, the quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. To prove a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram, it is enough to prove one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. Any of these properties, whatever I said, you can use it, but additional this also can be used. Okay, that is a parallelogram. Then after that, next one, rectangle. Sanskriti, heard about rectangle? Not heard? Heard or not? Arrest, no, you're crying out. Then stand up. Remove the space. Sorry, remove the mask. Stand up then. Remove the mask. Oh, okay, no. Okay, tell me, do you know what is a rectangle? Rectangle. Arrest, tell na. Abhi, do you know what is a rectangle? Opposite sides are. Can you draw a rectangle over here? Yes, come and draw fast. Yes, you be quiet now. When I ask you, you cannot tell. Then when he is telling you, know, start. Yes, do you know what is the area of a rectangle? Yeah, you. No, sit down. You people are 10th standard only directly. Yes, Avni. Avni, do you know what is the area? Hey, all of you be quiet. Then listen over here. Avni, what is the area of a rectangle? What is its perimeter? Yeah. So then I can ask her now. 2 times length plus breadth. Rectangle means here. All the angles are 90 degree. That is coming as a rectangle. Do you know what are the properties of the rectangle? You people just even basic concept of area of rectangle you must have studied in 4th standard. Is it or not? 4th standard. That even people doesn't know then what you are going to study in 10th standard. And then sit and talk to you. Yeah. Next. Here from. Then from where the noise is coming from? These 3, 4 only. You are talking. That's just Sanskriti. Sanskriti, I will remove. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are equal. All angles are 90 degrees. Diagonals. Diagonals bisect each other. As well as the diagonals are equal. Rectangle is a parallelogram. So all the properties of parallelogram satisfy. Additional properties, diagonals are equal and all angles are 90 degree. I hope all of you followed. Is there anyone knows what is a rhombus? Yes.
So when all the 4 sides are parallel.
All 4 sides. There is no way to draw all 4 sides parallel. Can you draw?
No, sir. Opposite sides are parallel. And they are equal.
All 4. Look here. Rhombus. Listen carefully. All the 4 sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. Understood? And the rhombus is again, it is a parallelogram. All the properties of the parallelogram it satisfies. Plus additional properties are diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. Already bisecting as well as perpendicular, and all sides are equal. Angle bisect, diagonal bisect the vertex angle also. Okay. Basically, remember, rhombus is also a parallelogram with all 4 sides are equal and the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. Remember these all rules we here and there will apply. Okay, finally tell square. You know square?
Yes.
All of you should be stand up. Do you know what is a square? What is a square?
So in a square, all the four sides are equal.
All four sides are equal. We already said it's a rhombus. And all four sides. And all four sides. And all four angles are 90 degree. Rhombus, all angles are not necessary to be 90 degree. Okay, square, all four sides are equal and four angles are equal to 90 degree. Do you know what is the area of a square?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Tell. Into a square, side square. What is its perimeter? 4 sit down. Okay. Area of the square is equal to side square and its perimeter is equal to 4a. Now, properties of the square means all the properties it will satisfy. Every property is whatever. Means all sides are equal, all angles are 90 degree, opposite sides are parallel. Diagonals are perpendicular, diagonals are equal, diagonals bisect. Okay, all the properties are said. I am not talking about kite and arrowhead. Have you heard about kite?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you all know. You all know, no? Okay. Okay. Now, congruence. What about? Have you heard about the word congruence?
Yes.
Okay. When do we use congruence? Do you know anything about congruence? Then? Yes. All right.
So two triangles will be congruent when they overlap each other.
Exactly.
Yes. Let me tell now.
They are exactly same when they overlap each other.
All. And we go through. Yes. Go on.
The figures are exactly same.
Exactly same. You want to tell something?
Just like they overlap.
Yes, that is same. Anyone else want to tell congruence? Okay. Listen. Two objects are congruent if they have the same size and the same shape. Okay, if the size and shape are say equal, same size and the same shape, then it is coming as congruent. Congruent objects overlapping and all. Sometimes it's not possible to make it overlap. The key figures, solids, the UT, max volume state, they are congruent. Is it or not? All I get is yes or no. Let's give an example of a congruent GPT. Equilateral triangle is not always congruent. Two equilateral triangles are not always. Yes, hands also is not necessarily congruent. Your hands are congruent in your hands. It is not. Okay, listen. Congruent things are the same shape and same size. Okay, pens of the same company of the same brand, which company are the congruent things. Shoes. Okay, listen. One size one left side and other side is the right side. Okay, so it is not the two congruent. There are things are different. Okay, congruent. I'll tell you simple things.
It's a 5 meter tall.
Okay, you go to the studio and take photograph, no?
Yes, sir.
You will get the face of a monkey, no? Actually, no. You get the passport size photograph, you get the all different industries, they make passport size photograph. They all are congruent. All are congruent with each other. Yes or no? Okay. There is one dot over here in every photo, therefore that dot will be there. They know don't look back fine also. Okay. Yeah. So congruent objects, same size and the same shape. Okay, when you say two line segments are congruent, they are of equal length. When you say two angles are congruent, it is measure equal. Okay, equal measure. One is 45 degree and second one is 45 degree. They are congruent. When do we say two circles are congruent? Same radii. Radii is coming as okay. Congruent, equal circle, congruent circle. Okay. Circles with the same center are called. You did not tell anything today. Yeah, yes, sir. The talking only. Concentric circle. Circles with the same center I call concentric circles. They are not congruent. Congruent means equal radius. He says no need to stand it there. Bring the book here.
No, sir.
Let me see your book.
Sir, this is the
Okay, I will appreciate it. Okay, now, when do we say two triangles are congruent? Those who know, please raise your hand. I heard you.
The sides and angles are same.
Oh, you. This is more proper way. Okay, two triangles are said to be congruent if the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are equal. Should I repeat? Two triangles are said to be congruent if the corresponding sides are equal and the corresponding angles are equal. Notation of congruence, all of you know.
Yes.
Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle, let's say PQR. 6 conditions you will get. You who knows which are 6 conditions you will get? Yes, Prasad.
Side, angle side.
Tell the 6 conditions.
It's
Wrong. I did not ask you what is the criteria of congruence. That is something different. When we write two triangles are congruent, 6 conditions get.
AB is equal to PQ.
Side AB equal to PQ.
Side BC is equal to side QR.
Okay.
Side AC is equal to side PR.
3 conditions you got.
Angle A is equal to
Angle A is equal to angle B, angle B is equal to Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Okay, so this is the one. These are the 6 conditions you will get. These six conditions are called. These 6 conditions are called CPCTC. Online. Actually, online only you can give answers. No, offline. CPCTC. CPCTC, you know what is the meaning of CPCTC? Yes, sir. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Okay, that is called CPCTC. Okay, now these are the 6 conditions you will get. This is the condition. Now, what she was telling, they are called the criterions of the congruence or test of congruence. To prove a triangle congruent, we have how many contests are there? 5. Who knows which are the 5? Yes, Nidhi. Others be quiet. Others close your mouth. Shut up. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. SSA. All of you be quiet. Everyone be quiet. Everyone be quiet. You also belong to everyone. Okay, CPD, be quiet. All of you be quiet. Five is written. There. Sarkar, maths lecture, think about maths only, okay? Okay. All right, okay. Yeah. Do you know what is SAS? Those who know, please raise the hand. I don't need anyone to open them up. Okay. Yes, Abdi. No. Yes. Yes.
Sir, an angle between two sides is equal.
2 sides and the included angle. It's angle between them. Not then I say side angle side. Not any angle. 2 sides and the angle between them are equal to two sides and the angle between them. Okay, included angle. Are you followed? Not followed. Okay. So then remaining there is no problem. Only SAS you have to be careful. Okay. A, B, C. Shivam. To apply SAS criteria in these 2 triangles to prove congruent, What if you give me a criteria? AB is equal to fast tell now. AB equal to BQ. BC is equal to QR. Angle B is equal to angle Q. That is why it's the included angle should be there. Okay, so therefore then we write as by SAS test these two triangles are congruent. Okay, and then next is one more thing I forgot. Correspondence is very important. AB is equal to PQ, whereas AB is not equal to QR. Okay, AB and PQ are equal. AB and QR are not equal. Understood, all of you?
Yes.
This is the conditions of which one. The condition SAS is coming. SSS I don't need to tell. All the corresponding sides are equal. Triangles are congruent. ASA, do you know what is ASA? Yes, those who know raise their hand. Yes.
Two angles are equal and one side is included.
Side, included side. Two angles and the included side are equal. Then what is AS? Two angles and any side. Okay, two angles and any side. What is RHS? RHS can be applied only for right triangles. Right, in right triangles, hypotenuse and side. Congruence, all of you know. The questions when it is coming, you have to do it. Okay, no problem. Next is coming to our chapter. That is called similarity. Okay, these are the yes, similarity third. Okay, tell. What is similarity? Okay, that's the difference. That's thank you. Tell, I know. Okay. Similar objects. Objects having the same shape, not necessarily the equal size. Okay. Simple thing when I said, the photograph I said, no, passport set one. There you can see small photograph and big stamp sizes, there different sizes are there. They are similar. Reduction and enlarging. Okay, reducing means completely. It's a properly it's reducing. Small photograph, big photograph, it's enlarged. So same shape, they are similar. Okay, remember every congruent things are similar, whereas every similar things are not congruent. Understood or not? Okay, that is a basic concept is coming. In your social studies, India's map you use lot of places now. It is similar to similarity. Similar to India. Okay, similar to India, how the boundary is made, have you seen? Geography people, scale pattern and all it is given over there. Why that scale is given? Time pass is given. It is a boundary, it is measured. Okay, in the boundary it is 1 kilometer means 1 centimeter maybe, like that it is marked. Okay, that's a similar. But if it is, when the teacher is giving 2 graph, two map, one for him and one for him, both are congruent. Understood or not? Yes. Understood. So similar means same shape. 2 spheres if you take. 2 spheres if you take. Similar now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 laddus you take.
Similar.
Congruent also can be there. Okay. Eating things are. Yeah. So okay. 2 circles you take. Similar. Always 2 equilateral triangles you take. Always similar, same shape. Okay, Sarkar, don't be. Listen. So face, whose face is similar to? Twins can be. Okay. Let's call some figures. Now, here. Listen. First is similar triangles. Right now, similar triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar. Two triangles are said to be similar. Pen also is not working? No, sir. Should I use pen for it? Should I get pen from someone? No, sir. This is your, oh, this is my book, you know? Yes, sir. Okay, two triangles are said to be similar if, first condition, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Written? Second condition, corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding sides are in proportion. Do you know what is the meaning of proportion? Just now only we did that chapter. What do you mean corresponding sides are in proportion? Proportion. What do you mean by proportion? Direct. I only got maths over here now. After ratio and proportion we study now. What are proportion? Something. So I will tell. Now what is direct proportion? Equal ratios are called proportions. Did you tell? No. Did you tell? What do you mean by that? Will say somebody that is in the volume open. Now proportion chapter comes. Ah, sir, I know. Open. Proportion chapter is over, and I am asking what is proportion. One is studying direct proportion, inverse proportion. What all stories are going on? What do you mean by proportion? Equal ratios. Okay, ratios. A is to B is equal to C is to D. What is the meaning of A is to B is equal to C is to D? Their ratios are equal. A, B, C, D are in proportion means what? A upon B is equal to C upon D. A upon B means A is to B. C upon D means C is to D. A, B, C, D, E, F are in proportion means what? A by B. The ratios are equal. Remember at least. Otherwise, please don't tell my name. Very good. Okay. Now look here. This is called the notation of similarity. That equal to is removed. How will you read this one? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Now, next listen. This means what? Corresponding angles are equal. Which are the corresponding angles here? B and Q. Angle A, only B and Q. Angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. That's the corresponding angles. Corresponding sides of proportion means what? AB is PQ. AB equal to B. AB upon PQ ratio is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Ratios are equal. Ratio between not AB proportional to PQ. AB, so write down triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR means triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR means angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Also, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Ratios are equal. Is it AB and PQ are equal? Not necessarily. Can be equal also. If they equal means the ratio will be equal. BC means this may be is equal to 3 by 6. This may be equal to 4 by 8. This may be equal to 6 by 12. All of them equal ratio should be there. Okay, AB equal to 3, 4, 6, like that it should be. Okay, are you following all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the condition for the similarity. Okay, every congruent figures, write down. Every congruent triangles are similar. Every congruent triangles are similar. Whereas every similar triangles are not necessarily to be congruent. Every congruent triangles are similar, but similar triangles are not necessary to be congruent. Okay. Every congruent pair of triangles are similar, but similar triangles are not necessary to be congruent. Okay. Next, one more. Test of similarity. TES, test of similarity. Test of criteria of similarity. 1. Triple A or double A. Second one, SSS. Third one, SAS. SAS. Who asked to SAS? Sarkar only, no? Sarkar, wait now. Still time is there. Another 10 years you can do.
क्या फायदा है?
Happens. Everyone's life, these all things happens now. Not happen.
compulsory.
Not compulsory. You can also. Last class you only said. Yeah. Listen, all of you. In the here, what is the difference between similarity and congruence?
So congruence means exactly equal.
I think forget now. Mathematically tell exactly. Yes, sir. If I said you are going to take it.
Corresponding sides are equal.
In congruence, corresponding sides are equal. Whereas similarity, corresponding sides are proportional. Are you followed? That is the difference. Remember, mathematical difference is what? Angles are corresponding angles are equal. Whereas in the case of similarity, corresponding sides are proportional, and the corresponding in the congruence corresponding sides are equal. What is the homework to be done? No homework. Okay. Listen. Trigonometry, you're done. That is 10 questions now. 10 more questions. Achha, 3 more. You do 20 questions. Last time you did not do. Why, sir? Chalo, bye.
Yeah.